Hello. I haven't streamed in a while, but we're here. One moment. I have to calibrate my. There you go. All better. All right. Okay, we're good. Time to start the stream up again. Um. Hmm. It's certainly been a while, and I have an idea of what I want to do today. Just, just an idea. So let me start up RPG Maker, and then we'll begin. Um. Hmm. So, well, first of all, before I even start anything, I really need to actually give some of these enemies stats because right now they're um all this, and I should also make these sprites too. But I guess that'll come later because right now, um, oh, I really wanted to get a plugin. I don't usually mess with plugins in streams, but seems now is a good time. Um, should be in here somewhere. I can't remember what it's called though. Is it? I guess I don't have it. That's okay. Actually, let's look at the internet. Hold on. Yep. Time to look at the internet. Real quick. Uh Hold on. Back to this again. It's called Animated Enemy Side View. Um huh. 1 second. Uh um I know this is kind of a slow start to my first stream and who knows how long, but hi. I'm glad you're here. I'm getting a new plugin. It's it allows me to animate enemies. I don't think it'll impact the um. It won't impact the Oh, found it. Okay, it won't impact the demo that much, but it'll allow me to do stuff in the full game. So let me just go through these settings real quick. Gotta disable that. Huh. All right. So we got this plugin, and yeah, we do have Battle Engine Core. Hopefully, this shouldn't just completely destroy my game, but let's see. Let's go into uh Lavos. That's kind of the guy I need to fix. So, oops. Um, Gotta pull up the wiki so I know what to put in the note tag. Uh, it says side view battler, and then the file name. If I go over to here, I need a sprite without the thing on, so I'm just gonna go into here. Lavos.png. Um, what's a character? Hold on, forgot what I named it. Yeah, it was Car Lavos. And now that, oh wait, hold on. Documentation just says the file name. Don't put in PNG. There we go. Let's go in the debug room. Set this to the battle for Lavos, which should be around here somewhere. There it is. And let's boot up the game and see what happens. If everything's right, it should, instead of using an enemy sprite, use his battler sprite when I fight him. So let's see. Let's see how that goes. Hold on. Oh, this is too big. Hold on. There you go. It was in full screen, so new game, and oh, would you look at that? Bonk. Ow. Hey, look at that. Okay, that worked. That actually worked really well. I'm glad. Anyways, he was a little low, so let me go into the troop and see if moving him upwards will help. Good lord, don't know where he is. Where is he hiding? Is he over here? Is he? I think that's too far. Go back up. There he is. There you go. Okay. So yeah, when you enter a battle with him, it'll display him as an actual side view battler sprite instead of what he was before. So that's cool. That'll make things more interesting when you fight him. That was the only thing I wanted to do. And let me check the plugin again real quick. Just the settings. Okay. Oh, I do need to test his uh death. So time to whip out the debug skills again. All right, game. Work with me. Yeah, that's really laggy. I don't know what's going on here, but oh, that was a little fast. It's fine. Anyways, isn't there any way to like transition? Uh, let's see the settings. Hmm. Shadows. False. Floating speed. No, I'm not messing with floating. Attack motions, weapons. That's fine. Um, let's try that. Okay. Well, he disappears now. Anyways, let's go. Make him a sprite. Let's open. Um, side view sprites character lab. Make a copy of that, and let's call it um necklace. Uh, no necklace. Okay, there we go. This is his sprite, and now I have to painstakingly remove the necklace in every single sprite. So let me just this. Let's see. Hold on. Let me try if I can do this like that. Uh, let's just click this so it's centered. There you go. Necklace is gone. Let's see how many sprites I can just do this for. Hey, look, that's working. Oh, that's not. I'll go back to that one later. And this one too. And that one too. I'll go back to that one since it's at a weird angle. I'll copy over the heart sprite for that one. Uh-huh. Well, this isn't as bad as I thought it would be, so you know. Um, again, the hurt sprite. That one's good. Um, I gotta open up the. I'll just copy over this sprite. There you go. I'm just gonna do this. Oh, this should be like this, I guess. Wait, hold on. 2 pixels, 3 pixels. Yeah, yeah, like that. But actually, since there should be this here, I'll do that. Nice. Okay. This is its hurt sprite, so I'm just gonna do like that. That looks good. Though it looks a little weird without the necklace on. Let me just do the same thing again for this sprite. And like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go. No, that wasn't right. Beautiful. Okay. Are there any more without them? I have to copy the hearts right here. I'll just ignore this since he's not going to be fighting like this at all. Whoops. This sprite has some extra. Wait. No, that's actually it's part of the other hand. That's not part of the necklace. Mm-hmm. Like that. Are there any more of the necklace? There's his casting sprite. And that's it. So, let me just fix this one. Oh. Let me actually fix this one instead of being lazy. There we go. Problem solved. Let me export this. Just like that. Go into enemies. Give it the new name. And that's good. Cool. Okay. Oh. And I'll close out this because I'm done with this. Okay. Cool. Alright. Gonna test it out one more time. Just see how that's going. That's so slow. I love this. Yep, there he is. I'm so sorry about this frame rate. Just bop. Okay, and let's just test to make sure the normal enemies work just fine. Because if they're not, I'm just gonna give this up. I'm not going through a lot of effort just for this one thing. So it would be nice to have. Let's see. I mean, they look fine. Yeah. Okay, yeah, okay, everything's working. Cool. That was the first thing I wanted to do today. Once again, that's not gonna affect, um, oh, okay. I thought RPG Maker just crashed. No, we're good. We're good. We're good. Don't worry. Anyways, so yeah, it shouldn't affect the demo, but it's gonna be good for the game itself. So um, let's see. The next thing I want to do is adjust Silva. Um, uh, I want to change her skills. That was me drinking water. Stay hydrated, guys. Um, so right now she has 8 different skills. These 8 right here, and they're kind of very similar to Ardaire's curses, but like a lot less effective and more basic. Considering she's going to be a more important party member than Ardaire is, I should probably give her something that's more effective than this. So, um, I should build off of this, but do something else. How does it work right now? Let's see. I'm guessing the visions set a variable, and each variable defines which vision is in place. Let me see. Where? Wait. Uh, where is it? Should be somewhere here. Okay, yeah. Yep. Sets the vision to the correct one and does some sort of effect. I feel like I should delay it by 1 turn. Might be interesting. Hmm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. Okay. I want to work on these at the bottom. So here's what I'm thinking. Each curse, I'm not cursed. We're not dealing with curses right now. We're working with these things. Um, okay. Okay. Okay, here's what I'm thinking. Whoops. It's okay. I still have them up here. That's why I copied them instead of whatever I was doing before. Okay, yeah, I should probably move everything down one. This looks stupid, but I swear I'm doing something. Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing. One moment. Alright, let's see. Put these at the bottom, just so I don't get confused. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Cool. Okay. Um, let's number them. So, like this. Oh, not math, max. So, here's what I'm thinking. Um, oh, each vision will have three different levels, with the higher levels costing a lot more MP. I'm holding shift. Okay. But the higher level ones will be stronger and will take less time to cast. So the weaker ones will take like 4 turns, while the stronger ones will be almost instant. Why don't I just copy the eye instead of holding shift and like this? Oops. Why does it have to select the entire thing when I click it? Um, so, okay. Okay. Let's go into states and let's call this vision vision cooldown. Give it the star icon. Actually, I should just make a new one, but I'll give it this as a placeholder. Remove at battle end. And um, I'll make 4 different versions. Turn end 4. Okay, 3. Make this 3. Okay, let's make this 2. And why didn't that copy? I don't know. Anyways, let's make this 1. Okay, cool. And here's what's gonna happen. I'm gonna make a new variable. And this variable will be. Let's click here. Variable. Let's make variable 131. That'll be um variable 131 will be vision cooldown. Cool down. Cool. And oh, why am I in troops? Hold on. I need to go to common events. Um, Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go to skills, and I know I have a way to set variables somewhere. Need to find out where. One of these will set the variable, I'm sure. Uh-huh. Let's see. Oh, was that it? Was that it? Was that something that set the variable? No, that used a variable. Hold on. Why is this different? Anyways, let's see. So I don't have anything that sets a variable, but I know it is possible to set a variable with the damage this area, the damage formula. So I'm just gonna look it up real quick. Set variable with damage formula, RBG maker MV. Uh, it's oh, maybe I was mistaking things. That's odd. Okay, okay, wow. Oh, okay, I did find it. I did find it. It's quite literally just here, like this, the variable 131 equal to 1. That's it. I just need to copy this over and like this and like this. So that's the number of turns left. Okay, let's copy over this first. I will need to rework the actual skills in a minute though. And I just realized I don't know if this actually works, so it'll be fine. And no, it doesn't need two equal signs. That's not how RBG Maker works, apparently. Let's see. That didn't copy properly. Sometimes when I click it, it works, but sometimes when I click it, it doesn't. So, whatever. Apparently, the last part of the damage formula is what decides the damage. So, though it doesn't really make a difference here, if I were to also want to do damage, I would have to put that after the uh I don't want to set that to 15. I would have to put that after the thing or whatever. All right. I need an event page. Okay, cool. Okay. And it was 131, right? It was 131. Okay. I need a new event page in troops. Let's see. The base troop. A new event page to handle this. Um, let's just use this one. I don't really feel like putting everything into one thing, so where did that go? Hold on, I think I messed something up. Okay. Oh, yeah, okay, there we go. Please tell me I pressed apply here. Okay, we're good. Okay, here's while I'm at it, let me comment here. So vision cooldown. Um Lavos death. What's this? This is Nemesis death. I put Lavos first because he can explode. Start of battle. I think that's a pretty easy one to figure out, but effects, effect manager, D2, death, red death, Farron death. This is janitor. This is Ardare. This one's Silva. Silva. This is Shiro. This is flashback death for Nemesis and Shiro. This is temp party member death. Is this right? Oh, hold on. I kind of need to make this work. I don't want him to be immortal. I almost forgot about that. This is misplays. Ignore that. This is, I already noted that one. This is temporary temporary party member attack. Yeah, this just makes it so they attack. Okay, one moment. Sorry about that. Hold on. There we go. Okay. Sorry about that. Sorry. Had to adjust the camera real quick. Anyways. Alright, so here's how it's gonna work. Which page was 15? Okay. Vision cooldown. Okay, so at the start of each turn, conditional branch, the variable for visions. What was the vision variable? Vision. Why don't I just use Control F? There it is. I have to set this not equal to 0. So if the currently active vision is not 0, um, and not the switch, the vision cooldown is equal to 0, then it'll apply um, a vision of some sort. Let's see. Hmm. Oh, right. Control variables, vision cooldown, subtract 1. So therefore, first vision cooldown, then the vision. Okay, so if the vision is not equal to 0, it decreases the cooldown counter by 1. And if it's 0, it'll activate the vision. So it'll check which variable is active and then use the spell in question. Let's see. And um, this needs to go onto the user. Hold on. All these need to be the user, so I can change that as I go. It needs to add the state. Well, since I'm adding a state, we don't need that, but we do need vision cooldown. There we go. Oh, whoop, 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 whoop. The user. The user. That's already the user. Oh, and all this all this is gonna do is what is it gonna do? It's gonna seal the skill type visions. That is all this is gonna do. So you can't activate another vision while a vision is being prepared. Alright, let's go back up. Vision cooldown 2. How I wonder how long this is gonna take me to make. Goodness, it's gonna take a while, that's for sure. I need to think about how I want to change these skills up a little. Okay, let's go here. Vision cooldown 3. Whoop, 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 whoop. Oh, I should also remove this. Shouldn't take too long. And okay, vision cooldown max. Oh wait, before I forget. Oh, and don't worry about the different versions of the status effect being applied at the same time because that cannot happen because sealing the vision skill type prevents prevents the use of these skills anyway, so you can't apply it multiple times. Anyways, next up I'm just gonna increase the cost of these. I'll adjust them better later. Right now it's just gonna be double for each level. This will be 40. This will be 60. This will be 80. 40. 60. 80. Oh, another 40, 60, 80. Okay. What was I thinking when I made these costs? Demotivation, 35, 70, 105, 140, 100, 150, 200. Wow, that's expensive. Yeah, I'll adjust these better because, goodness, 400 MP is a lot. That is a lot of MP. What is her max MP anyways? Let's see. Um, her MP stops at 750. Okay. I mean, we'll see how this goes. Right now, I'll just keep it like this. Not 131, but um, let me find the variable again because I forgot where it was. It's 40. Okay, so I need to set 40 to the actual vision variable, which I'm just gonna assign each spell their own value. Because these need to work differently. Here's 9. Here's 10. 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. 16. 17. 18. 19. 20. Let me just do that. 21. 22. 23. 24. 25. 26. 27. 28. 29. Almost there. 30. 31. 32. Okay. Cool. Cool. Okay. 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 All right. I can already position myself. Okay. Okay. Sorry about that. Ah. Okay. Wow. It's been an hour of me messing around, I guess. Uh. Ah. Okay. Okay. All good. All good. Okay. No, we're not good. Hold on. Okay, now we're good. Now we're good. I'm gonna have to deal with this kind of stuff until the end of the stream now. Okay. Let's see how we're doing. Um, so we were setting up the visions. So we got 4 levels for each vision, and I need to give them new effects. So restoration, um, it's just gonna be restore party HP in 3 turns. There, like that. So 3 turns, and 2 turns, in 1 turn. Um, already attack in 4 turns. In 3 turns, in 2 turns, in 1 turn. Not plural. Is this plural? Yeah, this is plural. Debilitation. I'm gonna go attack of enemies. Um, yeah, I think attack would be better just because. Wait, wait a minute. I need to check a plugin. See, should be enemy levels. I want to see if there's a way to decrease enemy level because that just completely decreases the amount of levels. I mean, damage they can do. Let's see. Hmm. This might be a little too complex for me. Yeah, I'll not mess with the levels. I'll just decrease their attack and their magic. 4 turns. 3 turns. 2 turns. 1 turn. I'll think of a new effect for this in a minute. All members attack at once. Turn ends turn. Hmm. Attack in 4 turns. I'm gonna leave this the way it is because I like it. Oh wait, this is the one that should be 1 turn. I feel like her skills should be uh, negates. I feel like all of her skills should be instant instead of buffs or debuffs like this. And there are plenty of attack buffs in Ardaire's loadout, so I don't know about that. I think I'll leave strength as the only one that stays the same. Debilitation, maybe. Let's see. Unison, okay. Demotivation. All enemies cast weak spells in 4 turns. 3 turns. 2 turns. 1 turn. There we go. Um, what did I? One random enemy. All enemies. Um, Demotivation and chaos are just really similar. I'm not sure how I should handle this. I think I'm gonna have to change one of them at least. Effect to in 3 turns, 2 turns, 1 turn. Back to effort. Um, that's 4, That's for a turn in 4 turns. So yeah, this should just be like a boost to everything. One turn where the party just gets to demolish the enemies, I guess. There we go. Um, Debilitation is something I kind of want to change. Debilitation, demotivation. Those are the ones I need to change. Chaos. Actually, I think I should change chaos instead, just to make it more interesting. Demotivation can fulfill its purpose, but chaos is the one I want to change. Let's see. Let's get a new um where are the strength vision? Strength vision. I'll say strength one. Oh, not like that. Strength two. Um, this will be 200. Strength three. Actually, I'll make this one 200. This one 175. And max. And then this will be just 225 then. Can I seal a specific skill? I can. I'll seal strength 3, strength 2, and strength 1. This will remove at battle end. There we go. So you can't go down, but you can go up. So that's good. Um, hmm. Okay, and then I also need the effort state. So this will be effort 1. Actually, should I reverse the states? Should I make it so the better the better skills are stronger, but they cost more turns to use? I feel like that's actually better. Yeah, I'm actually gonna do that. I'm kind of an idiot for changing my mind on this late, but I don't want the players to get this new character and then have to wait 4 turns every time they want to use a skill. That should be something that happens later. when they have the better skills to use. So, 2, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3. I'll have to update the descriptions too. That won't take too long. I have an idea. I could make it so demotivation removes like buffs from the enemies or positive status effects. Oh, but that's situational. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's good. Let me go through here and do this. 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. Cool. And then last but not least, go to states, vision cooldown max. There, 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 there. Okay, cool, cool. This will be 125. I'll leave that as 175. Be 225. Actually, I'll make it scale 50%. 200, 250, 300. Effort 1. You can decrease all stats by that much for a turn. Whoops. Remove at battle end, remove turn end 1 for vision of effort. Effort 2. Okay. Effort 3. Same skilling as strength, except it's all the stats instead, which I think is a reasonable trade-off for um it only lasting 1 turn instead. And then effort max. That's 300. That's a 2. And to do 300. Cool. Okay. Nice. Um, Whoops. I need to change the plural. That would have been really awkward to have the plural just be completely wrong in the game. 4 turns. Okay. 4 turns. 4 turns. 4 turns. Alright, what's next? What is next? Uh, okay. Let's get debilitation working. Yeah, let's find something new for debilitation. Yeah, I'll go back to you in a minute. Let's go back here and grab Unison Strike. 3, 4. Unison Strike 1. Unison Strike 2. Unison Strike 3. And Unison Strike Max. Okay, Unison Strike 2 will have a base power of 11. 15, and I guess 20. There. Oh, not 30. Jeez, that would be strong. 20 and oh, why is I know why it's like this. This is 7 halves. So this is 11 halves. This is 15 halves, and this is 10 or 20 halves. Yeah. Well, as long as that works, I guess. Anyways, all right. Unison Strike is working. Let's see. Well, I need to remove this common event call because calling this would kind of break things. Hmm. Okay. Let's go back to the troops. And I guess I'll check all of them individually. Oh boy. You're gonna hate me for this one. Just vision cooldown. Select vision. Restoration. Yep, I am in fact checking all of them individually. Hmm. I don't have a percentage based change HP. You know what? It's fine. I'll use variables. I'll just call this um, vision stat variable. Um, I'll set it to game data. Silva's max HP. Divide that by 4. And then change HP entire party by the vision stat variable. There we go. Restoration activates. There we go. Now, this needs to be vision equal to 2. I'll put this at the start. If vision equals 3, 2, let's set this to max MP. Um, do 6. Change MP entire party. Vision stat variable. There we go. Now, if vision equals 4. You know what? Before this goes too far, I just um Vision handler. Let's go here. 15. Let's call the common event vision handler. Do that. There we go. Now we have a much nicer looking thing to look at. Okay, anyways, 20, 20%? I'm gonna change that, I'm sure. 20%. Oh, I'll do 10% and 20%. So 10% that, 20% is this. Okay, cool, cool, so cool, cool as ice. Next up, strength. Okay, if vision equals 5, strength, um, yeah, okay, and change state, entire party, fixed, strength 1, strength 2, strength 3, whoops, okay, and strength max. Okay, allow me to do this. 100% by 150% by 200%. Okay. Oh, and once this is done, it should set the vision back to 0 again. I'll put it at the start, just so I don't lose track of it when I copy stuff over. Let's see, strength, 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 strength. Oh, and also, since I'm tracking things with variables, I can straight up just go into troops. No, no, not troops, states. Go over to vision cooldown. Don't remove at battle end. That should go through different battles then. Anyways, I think I've done too much coding and not enough testing, so let's go over to the classes and let's give her a restoration one. And let's test things. Hopefully RPG Maker doesn't straight up crash, but you know. Alright, here we are. It's gonna go really slow. But as long as it works at all. Oh yeah, that's crunchy. Now let's go over here, start the battle. Guard, you use the restoration potion. It did 1 damage to her. Does thing. Oh, okay. Um. Oh, that was something. Okay. Huh. Well, first of all, she's not supposed to do damage to herself. Could do that, but hmm. You know what? Maybe I won't use the damage formula. I have what's it called? I have the there it is. Convent. Hmm. I have this. Here, I'll just do this. Um, I need to find out how to use this to change a variable. Let me go into. I forgot what this plugin is called. Um, it's Actor Sequence Pack. Actor Sequence Pack. Um, variable. Change variable. Change variable 131 to 1. Change variable 40 equal to 1. And let's do this and then see what happens. Now Silva shouldn't do damage to herself. So let's see. Um, nice. Um, hmm. Let's go into the states, and instead of turn end, let's do action end. Wait, what does none do? Oh wait, none means it just doesn't. Okay, whatever. Okay. Um, and let's also set up her skills so that she starts with strength 1 as well. Let's set it to 1 and see what happens. Okay, anyways. Let me change this. Let's change this to 5. Like that. Okay. I didn't mean to press continue. New game. Skills. Yep, there's strength. Just gonna use strength so I can figure out if it's working or not. Okay, it is working. Cool. Um, let's make it so the handler removes the state vision cooldown. Okay. Let's go activated vision constants and control switches. Make a new switch. Call it vision activates. Um, I actually needed that to be a conditional branch. If it's on, turn the switch off. And remove those states. Remove this state. Can't forget that. And instead of just setting it to 0, let's control switch, turn on, vision activates. Okay. Alright, just a note to myself. Cool, so that seems to work just fine. So now I gotta adjust these. This is 2 and 2. Put 2 and 2 together. 3 and 3. 4 and 4. Can't believe I'm still doing this. 2 and 6. Uh, I'll actually just start with these. This will save a little time. Go back to restoration. Motivation. Effort. Unison. Oh wait, this is demotivation. I might want to rename some of them. 2. There you go. There we go. Okay. Oh, and I don't want to put that there. Okay, all of them should have this set now. I just need to 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. Okay. Saving my progress. Right. Boost party stats. I'll say all party stats by 100%, 150%, 200%. Um, the description isn't quite right because I copied the entire thing over. Good thing I caught that. Mm. Okay, 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 okay. Um. Okay, so that's working. Back to this. The next one is what was the next one? Debilitation. I haven't decided what debilitation does, so let's go into the common events. Wait. Okay. Okay, yeah, that's right. Debilitation. Let's do effort then. The next effort one should be 10, 11, 12. Right? Because, yeah. No, it should be 13. Because, strength gets 8, so debilitation gets 9, 10, 11, 12, and then effort gets 13. So effort activates. Entire party. Effort 1. Effort 2. Not strength max. Effort 2. Effort 3. Effort max. There we go. Uh, hmm. What do I want debilitation to do, anyways? I'll go back to debilitation. Mm, oh no. That's gonna get messy. Alright. Here's what I'll do. Okay, um, I got it. Ignore this. I'll just use a common event. Unison strike 1. Oh, force action is interesting. Because if a force action occurs before a person's turn, they lose their turn. But if it occurs afterwards, then they don't. And I mean, I guess that's useful, but I mean, it could be useful. Honestly, it just seems quite annoying that you can't force an action and allow them to get their turn. Am I missing something, or is that just not possible? I mean, there's force action, yes. Yeah, there's okay. Whatever, it's fine. Anyways, Hmm. I have an idea. Four more status effects. You know it and you hate it, but here we are. This will just temporarily boost the party's attack for the attack. So using two, that'll be 325. And auto removal timing one turn. And then I can just have one move. So unit 3 attack will be 400. This should be removed at the battle end. Why is strength 1 not removed at the battle end? I don't know. And then unison max will be 500, which is pretty big. But I don't know. You waited 4 turns for this, so like, who am I to complain? Mm, 175, 250. Um, 250. This is okay. Yeah, I'll just do 325 and 400 then. And then instead of 4 different unison strikes, 1, 2, 3, it'll just be the one unison strike. And in common events, 3, um, unison, yeah, unison. This will be 17 unison. Um, and then call the common event. Um, Vision unison new. 18 unison 2. 19 unison 3. 20 unison max. Okay, cool. What is the attack? Oh, 5 house. Okay. Um, hold on. Somewhere here. Should be. Um, life steal. Let's try this. That was 16 before. I have to keep that in mind. Unison. Oh, but I also have to change it to 1 just so I can use it easily. Alright, let me just yoink. Oh, I never tested it with them actually having weapons equipped. One moment. Let's grab something to equip onto them. You get a sword and you get a bow. That's okay, although the attack animation didn't play. Oh well, I'm sure it's fine. I don't know. I don't know what to do with that. I'll just leave it as is. Random RPG Maker BS, but I don't. It's fine. um, let's make the vision cooldown. Let's make the priority like 20. Just so. Let's do 30 for this one. I'll put this as 40. And this is 42, because you can't have both of them. Cool. Okay. Right. Demotivation, that'll be changed soon. And then chaos. I'm gonna keep chaos as is. One, two, three, four, but I still need to make it work, so. Oh, wait, where is chaos? This isn't Sonic. Where did the vision icons go? There they are. Wait, which one did I say I wanted to keep as is, and which one did I want to change? Because both of them do the same thing, but hmm. Oh, there it is. There's the scam bot of the stream. Yippee! Oh well, it happened. Hmm. Um, I'll do this. Hmm. All right. I'll go a little longer. Anyways, just not sure how to handle the different levels of chaos. That sounds silly now that I said it out loud, but What other things do I have? Mm. I think freezing all of the enemies every other turn might be a little strong. So let's go decrease stats for level 1. Um, attack attack an enemy for level 2. Um, attack anyone for level 3, and attack an ally for level 4. And I'll name it Disbalance instead of Chaos because, yeah. Hmm. All enemies. All enemies have lowered um, for a turn in 1 turn. Disbalance 2. Attack in for a turn in 2 turns. All enemies attack randomly for a turn in 3 turns. For a turn in 4 turns. Okay, cool. How about attack an ally? And then this will be all enemies attack. Um. Yeah. I kind of only have one line to work with, so I can't really distinguish these two. hard. There we go. Um, I'll just I'll just make this mercy 1, mercy 2. Where's the? I keep losing the mercy icon. Hold on. Hold on. There we go. Okay. Mercy 3. This is definitely a good idea. I'm holding shift. Why am I holding shift? Max. Um. Hmm. There we go. Okay. Um. Balance and mercy. Okay, let's see. What was the order again? Strength, restoration, strength, debilitation, effort, unison, demotivation, disbalance, and mercy. Okay. Let's handle strength. Why did I say strength? I meant mercy. Okay. 32 is the last one. 1, 2, 3. 29 is the start of mercy. Activate. And call the common event +1 mercy, just to be funny. Fixed nemesis. Add mercy 1. Oops, I need to go up. This can go down. Up, 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 up. Down, 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 down. Okay, cool. One, 2, 3, 4. 25. This balance activates not the active state, but the enemy state. Change enemy state. Entire troop. Add disbalance 1. Up, 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 up. There we go. Down, 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 down. Okay, cool. And then we have demotivation and debilitation to deal with, and I will worry about that later because I have no idea what to do with them. So, um, for now, I'm gonna take a break because I'm getting tired. So, thank you for being here, and that's the end of my stream. So, bye.